Previous we discussed about that Facebook lead generation form. That is called, we can discuss about the previous ad will be like this. Now I will discuss about that how to generate and website traffic using for traffic reach. That is called how to generate a traffic reach. Before and now, what is different? That is called lead generation form through our Facebook form using with Facebook ad. Now we can generate traffic for data on your website. Now first of all, click for create. In this create, we have to use it for awareness. People know about our product. People know about our product. That is called reach. Brand awareness, reach. In this, we have to use for this option is called, now here, what option is? Awareness and reach. Now what is this? Traffic, engagement, app install, video views, lead generation, message. If you reach the traffic to your website, that is called, first of all, go to your Facebook page. Okay. Now here, the previous ad will be approved. We are discussed previous one. This will be approved. The showing for the review, they will be approved on your option. Now here, just copy this URL. Go to your specific page. Enter your URL. What are my goal? We can target my traffic to generate my website. Just here, select your image. Image always showing for less than 20% test content. This is the image. We are a test image. They are showing for less than 20% text content. Just this post. Done my post. Now we can post on this option. With our hashtags, Codex, trading, stock market, node FX, we target India. Now this, select more details, select it. Now clear. Now this option is done. Now they're going to wear news feed, everything done. So here. Now click for share now. Just posting I'm going to in this account. Done my post here. So here. This is a one different. See this, what is showing here? Image will be not appear with the proper content. So here that is called, okay, select image for here. Select your proper posting 280 by 720. Upload. Select here proper image. Select your color. This color here. One click. Just select for PNG. This image was saying here. Just go to the upload this option. Select your image here. The image. Select it. Here. Is okay? Now just go here. Why I'm selecting for this image is because you can go to the less than 20% test content. Now see, Just copy this one, paste it, select your image, select, select it. Simple, I'm changing here. How to earn money online through forex trading, stock market India. So you can show you in this option here. Now here. Done. Now click for share now. This is a previous posting. You check the new posting here. Done here. Simple. What option call is? You click for boost post. You can show two options: desktop feed, mobile feed. Here, desktop feed we can show for what option call is likes and generate for website traffic. See here. Exit. If anyone click this one, now see here. Just I'm clicking this option. They're going to wait our website. So here, the main reason is called how to earn money through. You can go to the specific keywords. Now here, just one click option. Boost post. So here, add your keywords. Will be three ways: desktop newsfeed, mobile newsfeed, and message inbox. The ad will be showing for three various where desktop newsfeed, mobile newsfeed, and message inbox. Now here you can change your traffic, select your website visit, encourage people to visit your website. Encourage people to visit your website. Yes or no? I can show for website traffic. See the second option: engagement, reaction, comments, and shares. You can go to the three option: engagement, reactions, comment, and shares. That is called second option. Third option: messages, engage and chat with the potential customers. There is a three option. You can go to where this is the option here. Now click for save. Now click for learn more. Here showing for what is that? Sign up. Why? This is a sign up form. The option call is sign up here. That will be showing for C. Mobile news feed, desktop news feed here. Now here. Just select your traffic. Traffic are very important. First of all, select your age wise. Select for 55 years men. Select for India. Done. Just scroll down here. Interest will be called our, just writing on your keywords. Forex trading, stock market, And third option. Now, it's clear. Arrow will be always middle. Click for save. Scroll down here. What's my budget? 1390. But my budget is only for 500. Select the 500 my budget. See this. My people will reach 3100 to 15,000. We have one error will be there. The reason is my prepaid balance is 113 rupees now available. So what is my campaign budget? 500 rupees. Remaining pending balance will be there. They can show will be syntax will be here. Nothing will be there. The only syntax for adding the amount purpose. Now the ad will be only for 1 day purpose. We go 7 days. Each day how much is spending? 71 rupees for 42 paisa. Here we have doubt. You can add for 40 rupees also. See this. Minimum budget is 40 rupees per day. Suppose we can adding for 30 rupees. We already discussed how much rupees for 40. Just I'm clicking for 500. Previous and now. This error for is a minus. Your amount will be less than 40 rupees. Now will be no amount will be adding for your prepaid account. Your Facebook ads completely dependent by the prepaid services. When you add the amount, they direct your price. So amount will be not there. They can't run your ads. Now we are there run for only for 1 day. The ad budget is 500, 3,100 to 50,000 people reach for the per day people reaching. Now click for boost. This is called generate your traffic on using Facebook page. That is called generated website traffic based on your postings. Just click for OK. Now here. Previous, you can go to the multiple steps. This is only for post on your based on website. Click for boost post. Select your traffic range, audience age, and daily budget. Click for boost. Now here. The ad will be reviewed for within a 10 minutes time. Now click for close. This is called paid your website traffic used on the Facebook ads.